Okay, sorry guys. So quick update on Tropical Storm Newton. As of right now, yes, it is just south of the international border as it's crossing over into Arizona. So technically it is still considered a tropical storm. Now it's all going to matter on the wind speeds to determine if it's going to stay a tropical storm status as it crosses over. We've continued to see light to moderate rain actually moving into Arizona. And what's nice about that is it has been less severe. So we haven't had as many problems with flooding. Of course, there's the areas out near Nogales, like the Nogales Wash, that has been seeing 2 to 3 feet already. And those are the areas that have seen the majority of the rain in excess of 2 to 3 inches. And so those are the reasons why we've got some flood advisories and warnings already. That flood warning for the Nogales Wash will continue till about 2:45. But again, the technical center of this tropical storm is still south of the international border. National Weather Service will be looking for specific wind speeds and rates as it officially crosses over to determine if it will still be tropical storm status as it moves into the state of Arizona. I can tell you that we are under a flood advisory or flash flood watch throughout the afternoon because there is the possibility that we could see rain that long. Right now we're expecting the heaviest rain to probably start breaking up and ending by the noon time frame, if not sooner. However, I can tell you that all depending on the cloud cover will determine whether we see more rain later today. What that means is if we stay overcast, we likely will not build any more storms. Once the rain ends, we'll just be cloudy as Newton exits the area to the northeast into the evening hours. Now, if we see any sort of breakup long enough to allow just a little bit of convection, then that means more storms actually could develop and bring us more rain even into the afternoon and evening hours. Right now, the position of the storm, again, it's moving into northern Arizona, but the position is just south of the international border and it's moving to the north at about 18 miles per hour. So that's the other reason why some areas haven't seen quite as much rain as we anticipated because it's moving so quickly. But it is dropping some pretty decent rain. In fact, we did have a report of over an inch just southwest of the Tucson area as of about 2 hours ago. So we'll get official updates on rain totals by the end of the day with the National Weather Service. Generally up to about 1/4 of an inch per hour is what we're seeing dropping right now locally. Accumulation is possible, especially into the mountains, much higher rates, maybe 3 to 4 inches. And the wind is expected to get worse as well. We talked about that wind advisory all morning and how we could see some pretty strong winds in excess of 25 miles per hour or even in excess of 45 miles per hour above the higher elevations. That will likely start in the early afternoon as well once the actual center of our tropical storm exits to the northeast and out of the state. So that's the reason for the wind advisory, at least until about 5 o'clock. We'll let you know if that gets updated, and we will, of course, hold on to the flash flood watch with any additional rain. That's always a possibility, and so we'll hold on to that probably through the evening hours as well. But this is where we are right now, folks. We've had some pretty decent rain, and fortunately, we have not had a lot of problems with severe flooding. Hopefully, we'll get a little bit more and it'll stay nice, but we'll continue to update you, and I'm sure Chief Meteorologist Aaron Christensen will have some updates on our official rain totals by the end of the day as well. So thanks for tuning in, and we'll talk soon.